Last night, Joel and I were way too tired to do anything before going to bed. We went to bed at 8 o'clock. Come on in, cutie. Did you go potty? The kids went to bed early and they all still slept in. I made zucchini bread several months ago and froze a bunch, and I'm glad I've got it. Okay, Link, I want you to get dressed. Hurry and get dressed. Tell the boys to get up. How did you sleep last night?
Not very good. I coughed all night.
Somehow things are progressively getting worse, not better. Yikes. Well, then this is gonna have to wait. Because we've got errands to run.
Your jappy stick. Look like you're ready to go work on the farm. Got your muck boots on, gonna move some line in the middle of December.
Some granny almost literally T-boned us in a big way. I didn't even have 2 seconds to think about what I was saying, and I'm all, okay, Granny Goose.
I thought that was more appropriate than what I thought you would have said, so that's good.
And actually, I didn't say it like that. I was just like, Granny Goose, Granny Goose, Granny Goose. Please don't hit us.
Yeah, my eyebrow.
All right, before we get out of the car, Joel had to make sure he looked pretty.
I think something's in my eyebrow.
On Saturday, we cut down a tree, and the original plan was to deliver it on Sunday. However, turn of events. We learned of a few extra items that this family could benefit from, and so we wanted to delay the delivery, come to Walmart, and get some things. The kids have been dying to get this tree lit and wrapped and delivered, but we had to make a few changes in the schedule because we really wanted, the mom that's receiving this wanted her daughter to be there. So we've kind of changed up the schedule just a little bit, but tonight is the night. Olivia, I can't get over the perfectness of the tree you chose. Look how perfect she is! Even the top is so great.
Would you say she's a beaut, Clark?
She's a beaut, Clark.
So how would you wrap it?
Dad's gonna show us how. Lighting a tree is a little more difficult than I thought it was gonna be.
Bonnie, there's decent lighting a tree, and then there's my lighting a tree. Come on. We know the difference.
I honestly was not thinking it was this difficult.
Yeah, this part's
I mean, don't you just like strand it around the tree?
if you wanted to look like terrible.
Okay, well,
What does that mean?
you're taking a Spanish class, don't you know?
I know what it meant. It was a joke. I'm not that stupid.
Right down Santa Claus Lane. Okay, now I see the approach you're going with. He's wrapping it around, no, starting at the tip of it, wrapping around a branch, moving over.
Base.
Yeah. You're good at this, Mr. Hoellein.
Well, Larry.
Larry.
The boys are more interested in playing monkey in the middle. Of course, Lincoln's in the middle. I'm not sure he'll ever get out, if I'm being honest. Cody, maybe you should let him win.
He likes the middle. Lincoln.
Says Cody.
Lincoln.
Oh, boss, you're so nice.
Look at me. Cody.
Oh, well, he's putting Cody in the middle. I guess Cody's in the middle now. Oh, poor Ling.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Such pleasure do you bring me.
Talk about fun. Just taking our tree for a ride. Yeah, I'm good.
Ring the doorbell or open the door and knock.
Ring the doorbell. Knock it.
What if this is not her house?
It is.
Imagine it was just a random person.
Hi, I'm Bonnie.
Hi.
We have a tree.
Thank you. Bring that in.
Should we bring it in?
Yes,
Here, I'll hold the door. All right, we just got back from delivering the tree. We didn't want to record and be very intrusive. That wasn't the reason why we were vlogging it. So we delivered the tree and we are back home. It is now bedtime. Guys, can you say goodnight? Happy mustache. Okay, say goodnight, everybody. Merry Christmas.
Little hybrid car, just smiling, having a good time.
Now the original plan was, okay, are you looking over here at the camera? Not at yourself over here so you look.
I was actually looking at you because you're pretty.
The kids and I have been dying to get this, sorry. Yeah, because I can't see a thing.
Okay, Granny Goose.
He thinks I'm pretty. Okay,
You should keep the audio of the kids fighting.
okay, now the original plan,
Come on,
terrible.
you can Spanish.
So how come the light doesn't turn on automatically?
There's my cutting board. Oh.
Cody, stop!
The kids went to bed early.